Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can find the level IV in your geometry dash. So I have my levels right here ready to go. So I'll just click on the view option. And basically, if you've just created your level, it will say unverified right here. So to verify your level, just go ahead and play your level out and make sure that you finish it or you complete the level right here. And then it will be verified right after. From there, just click on the share button, click on the OK, and then let's leave one star right here. Click on share level, click on back, and then basically the level will then get updated. And then we have the level IV on our level editor right here. So you could just use this level IV in order to share it to your friends online and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.